What's up everybody, welcome back to my laboratory where safety is number one priority. Well, actually we don't need any safety today because we're going to do something different. There's pretty much everybody have done it, at least most of the YouTubers. Well, reacting to their own compilations. I seen couple of the compilations of me and they are hilarious. Like I have so much funny fails and stuff like that. I have almost 2000 videos, so it's probably pretty easy to make compilations of fails and funny moments. So I thought to myself, why not to react to some of them and see if you guys like it. So let me know in comments below if you enjoy this, me reacting to my compilations. And if you do, please give this video a thumbs up. And if you have a great response to this video and it does well, I see lots of comments with positive comments, lots of likes, then I'll do more. So let's get to it. So I got this right here, Crazy Russian Hacker Boom compilation 2016. This is probably was my most views. I was on top on YouTube in 2016. So I'm expecting a lot of funny videos. So during one of these fun mail videos, yeah, I remember that fun mail on the New Year's. I thought it's really cool that he edited out himself and said boom. Because I don't say boom enough. Because I don't say boom enough. Because I don't say boom enough. So this is like intro. That's a perfect intro. Love your edit. Crazy Russian Hacker Boom compilation. Let's do it. What is that? Boom, 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 boom. Oh, no way. Boom, 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 boom. No way. Do I really say that much of a booms? This is so hilarious. This is like what, 32 seconds, and I have already 38 booms. This is crazy. Boom, 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 awesome. Boom, boom, boom. I love the banana compilations. Boom, boom, boom. Let me like go back a little bit. Boom, 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 boom. There you go. Banana compilations are so funny. Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom. Oh my gosh. Boom, 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 boom. I can't believe it. I wonder how much time whoever did that compilation have spent, because I have over 2000 videos, like I said, and I had to go to every video and pick out every single boom from so many videos. This is insane amount of work. I can't believe it. Somebody actually would do that. This is so funny. I love it. Boom, 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 boom. I love the intonation of different booms. Like somebody probably could make a music out of it. Probably already exists. I'm honestly like laughing so hard. I'm like crying. Whew. Boom, 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 boom. I like sometimes there's like boom, like without any excitement. Most of the booms is like boom. And it's not like boom, you know, booyah. It's like boom. I don't know why I come up with that and say that, so weird, but anyway, apparently I say it a lot. And honestly, I want to see how many times did I say boom. Pause this video and comment below how many times do you think I have said boom in 2016. Right now I'm at 135 times. Do you think it's gonna come up to 1000? Like, you know, pick a guess and we'll find out if you were right at the end of the video. Alright, let's continue. Boom, 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 boom. I love when the tree falls like boom, and I love when something actually explodes or falls and make a noise like a boom or like poof. And on top of it, I don't know why, I just like boom, like sound effect. It's so hilarious. I'm not even cringing because it's just so well done. I'm actually proud of this compilation. Boom, 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 boom. You know what's funny? Fans
couple of times would come up to me and would be like, say boom. It's so funny. I'm like, what? I'm like, oh, okay, boom. And I'm like, get so confused because I say boom in a video so much, I don't even notice.
Boom, 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 boom.
So many different videos, it's insane.
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh my gosh, I love that jump compilations. It's like boom, boom. It's like so satisfying to watch slowly build up into a career. I remember that video was fun.
Boom, boom, boom.
Boom! It's so funny that I have different sounds of boom of a different situation. Like, it's crazy.
Boom, boom.
Honestly, I didn't even notice till I watched this video.
Boom, 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 boom.
5-hand glove, boom.
Boom, 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 boom.
Half the time I don't even make sense. Why do I say boom? It just, I don't know. I just say it.
Boom,
I'm
boom,
weird.
boom, 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 boom.
Put an egg into the, I don't know, egg gadget and it's like boom. Doesn't make sense at all.
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh, I can't take it. It's so hilarious.
Boom, 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 boom.
Wow, we're about to hit 3,000 and we're only halfway into the video. Probably going to hit 600 easily.
Boom, 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 boom. Boom, 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 boom.
Sticking pieces of paper in a paper gadget. Boom! What an epic.
Boom, 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 boom.
I'm watching this and it's not just sounds boom, different type of booms. You actually see the video when I say boom and it's so quick. It is really satisfying, honestly. I don't know, is it only me? It's so weird, but it is pretty satisfying to watch. I love this compilation. Definitely my favorite so far.
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh my gosh, those are hilarious videos. I don't even know how I come up with so many funny ideas, but that was one of my favorite. Like putting Coca-Cola full of it on your head and it sticks.
Boom, 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 boom.
There you go, cake.
Boom, 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 boom.
Oh my gosh.
Boom, 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 boom,
It's going faster now.
boom, 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 boom.
I can't take it, man. Why do I say boom? Why do I say boom so much? It doesn't even make sense. I'm putting like Coca-Cola cans into a Coca-Cola gadget and I say boom. Why? I don't know why. It's so funny though. Hilarious. I'm weird.
Boom, 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 boom.
I feel like now he's just like editing bunch of booms into like one video. Is it really true? Do I actually say it so much? Because there was 3 booms in one little segment. I do not remember that. Did I really did say that like that?
Boom, 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 boom,
I love the egg gadgets.
boom, boom, boom,
When I say boom,
boom,
it's
boom,
hilarious.
boom, 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 boom.
It does not make sense to me. Why do I say boom? It's like nothing even happening. It's just like such a little things happening. Like, cool, I opened a can. Why did I say boom? It doesn't make sense at all.
boom, 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 boom,
Science
boom,
experiments,
boom,
love 'em.
boom, 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 and boom.
I love the engine. And boom. Oh my gosh. Well, you know what? After watching this compilation, I always, for the longest time, I was wondering, why do you guys say that you guys love that I say boom? It didn't make sense to me because honestly, I didn't really realize that I said that so much. It just kind of like come out. I didn't even think about it. Even when I edit, most of the time I didn't realize it. And it's so weird. After watching this video, actually makes me think and understand why you guys love it when I say boom and comment so much. Like boom squad. There's so many different comments about booms. And back in the day, I remember probably in 2016, there was a boom comments and people would comment boom count and they would tag the timeline in every single boom in one video. So this is hilarious. I love you guys comments. I love this compilation. So thank you so much for your support. Even though it does not make sense, I don't even know why you like it. It's so weird and kind of cringy. But because you guys make this weird thing into a beautiful thing and you enjoy it, thank you so much. Makes me feel so happy. Honestly, I'm enjoyed filming this video, so hopefully you guys going to enjoy watching this video, and let me know in comments below if you want to see more compilations, because I just had so much fun. I'm continue kind of crying a little bit because I'm just happy and I'm laughing so much. Not out loud as much, but inside there's so much joy watching this compilation. I can't believe it. Thank you so much. So don't forget to thumbs up this video if you enjoyed, and if you want me to do more videos like that, I will do it for sure if you guys gonna give me support. But anyways, don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll see you next time.